Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get Evolution Shards in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So, the best way to get the Evolution Shards is through the Pass Royale. And no, you don't need to buy it. And on the free track, you can earn Evolution Shards at tier of 19 or tier 70 or even tier 90. The pass is very easy to level up just by playing regularly, and most sessions give you plenty of time to complete it. Make sure that you grind on the free pass royale every season. And also the second way to get the evolution shards is through the special limited time events. Supercell sometimes include evolution shards as event reward, so always check the events tab and participate whether possible. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.